Hi folks, we are back and we are going to take a quick look at the Plano ATV box that I installed. It's been probably a couple weeks and have not had it out yet, but today we had a really hard rain. I mean, it was just came down for hours and flooded the backyard. The court was flooded and I was doing some work in the garage and pulled the CanAm out for room to work, and I wanted to see how watertight the box is going to be. And I know spent a lot of time preparing and putting in that foam weather seal around the box, and as you can see, the CanAm is wet from the rainstorm, and it is the top of the box is wet. And so we're going to take a peek inside. All right, we're going to undo the bungee on this side. We're going to undo the bungee and open her up, and we're going to take a peek. Let's look at the seal, and it is still attached, and it's wet from opening the box, dripping down. But let's take a look inside. And I gotta say, everything looks dry. Some of the thing, here's my rain suit, and we're going to take it out, and as you can see, it is perfectly dry. We're going to look at the bottom of the box, and it is perfectly dry. Where I keep the license and the insurance cards, and it is completely dry inside. So it's a little wet here from where I opened the lid and the water ran down, but everywhere, here's the toilet paper, it is completely dry. So I gotta say, the box continues to impress me, and the seal is still there. And like I said before, just make sure you put dentured or rubbing alcohol on the plastic before you put the seal on, and you shouldn't have any trouble. Again, over time, we'll see. But this thing was out in the rain for I mean, hours and hours, and it was a hard rain. So it is it's watertight. And all right, I just wanted to show you that real quick, folks, and until the next video, we'll see you. Take care.